Travis here from Refined Movement. Today we go back to Palm Beach International Raceway, the first track that I've ever raced on. So this track started my journey into racing and driving on tracks, and this was actually one where I could bring Rob along with me. He had never been to Palm Beach. It was kind of dumb luck for us because we booked this track day in November 2021, and by, I believe at the end of March or April, Palm Beach had closed for good. And it's kind of a shame because that track was fast and fun and really easy to learn how to drive at the limit.
All set up, ready for Palm Beach. About a half hour later than I expected, but that's not so bad considering it's raining so much today and the trailer was soaked. Me thinking it was fine. Trying to drive up on Hoosier Slicks was kind of a nightmare. Driving on an ice rink, doing burnouts. So pro tip, you are doing this in the rain, dry off your trailer. Get a little bit more grip at least. It's probably a dummy head move by me, but what can you say? I am a dummy. Let's go.
Alright, so back at PBIR, it's been 5 years, I'm pretty sure, since my first track day at this track. I've been at the firm ever since, but Rob and I are out here today, and it was really wet this morning, misting and raining. It had rained all day yesterday, but it is clearing up now. It's pretty windy and cold for Florida, but it's a great day to be racing. I'm excited. Car went out really nice. I actually got some new tires going. Let me show you guys. Wheels and tires. I got some Miata 16s on here, and I had to bore out the center hub before you start YouTubing the comments here. So they fit, and I got some Bridgestones, Potenzas. And the car was really good, predictable, more time to notice when it was slipping or understeering than the Hoosiers, which I'm hoping to put on later to see how that goes. But overall, car feels good, a little understeery, but I haven't been out here in a while. It's a totally different track to what the firm is to Rob and I, so it'll be good to get some some sessions in. But yeah. Alright, what a difference a few hours makes. It's beautiful now. That's Florida in a nutshell. Raining in the morning and dry and hot in the afternoon. So I switched the car back over to the Hoosiers because I did 3 sessions on my wet tires and they are very, very worn and they don't have a lot of grip. I was getting a lot of understeer, a lot of brake issues, just not braking aggressively enough as I expected to brake. So I'm really hoping the Hoosiers can help me get some good lap times and just have more fun, not be so caught up managing the car. But yeah, it looks way better on the Koenigs anyway. one thing that came out of this track day was really knowing and confirming my suspicions with my brake setup. It's been increasingly difficult to do heel toe, and I needed to address it.